Hi, in front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the camera settings to default. First we need to open the camera app, so let's tap on this icon right here to open it. In the camera app, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the Restore Defaults button. Tap on it, then tap on Done to reset the settings to default. And that's how you reset the camera settings to default. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.